Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by signing into the Xbox 360 profile that owns the game. This matters because deletions apply to the active profile and device. Once signed in, choose the exact storage device, internal hard drive, USB, or memory unit, so you don't remove data from the wrong place. Make a quick backup of saves if you want to keep progress, otherwise you risk permanent loss. Now move to the dashboard and get ready to open system settings to manage storage and game content directly. You navigate to Settings, then System, and enter Storage to inspect the device you chose. This lets you see all installed content. Once there, open Games and Apps, scroll to the specific game title, and press it to view sub-items like game installs, downloadable content, and saved games. Make deliberate choices. Deleting installed content frees space, but leaves saves unless you remove them. Deleting save files removes progress. If you see multiple entries, remove only what you intend to avoid unintended data loss. You choose Delete or Delete All and confirm. The console will remove selected files from the storage device. Once done, power cycle the Xbox 360 and clear the system cache to ensure the dashboard refreshes and freed space registers correctly. If the game still appears in your list, remove the local profile temporarily and sign back in, or clear the cache again before re-downloading. These steps prevent ghost entries and make sure you recover accurate free space after deletion.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.